Hi guys, it's Sophonie Adme and welcome back to my channel. I know it's currently prom season and I wanted to create this makeup look. It's a black smoky eye and a half cut shimmer yellow crease. And if you guys wanted to see how I complete this look, please keep on watching. Also, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below and subscribe if you haven't already for more tutorials coming soon. So I already did my eyebrows to save us some time, and if you want to see how I did my brows, I have tons of video you can watch. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color Creamy Beige. I'm gonna prime my eyes with it. And next I am taking this eyeshadow palette called Beautiful Product. I'm gonna take this black shade and I'm applying it on my crease. And next I am gonna take my Huda eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna take this brown color right here called Musk, and I'm gonna use that as my transition color. I am going in with my Huda eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna take this brown shimmer shade called Retrograde and I'm applying it with my finger. And I am going to use this metallic liquid eyeshadow in color yellow. So today I am wearing my favorite Paris Mink eyelashes in number E80. So for foundation, I am using my favorite, which is Revlon Color Stay Foundation in color 400 Caramel. So right now I am just blending that with my favorite beauty blender sponge. And I'm gonna go in with Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer. It's so creamy and it gives it full coverage and I love it. As some of you already know, I like using one beauty sponge for my whole makeup look. next, to set that concealer, I'm gonna use this banana setting powder. As you can see, today I am not baking with it, I am just pressing it into my skin. And after that, I'm going to contour with my Adme concealer. So next, I am gonna take my favorite Maybelline Make Me Press powder, and I'm applying that between where I contoured and highlighted. I am going to use this Palladio blush on my cheeks, and I'm gonna mix all 5 colors together. And this is my favorite blush at the moment. For highlighter, I'm gonna use my Way to Glow highlighter. I love this glow, it's very beautiful. It has my cheekbone popping. For my lips, I am using this pink nude color. I'm gonna set my face with NYX setting spray. I definitely recommend a setting spray when you're doing your makeup for prom. It's gonna make your makeup last longer. this is the look. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.